I just got an email from a bank saying that I made a deposit today. I didn't make a deposit today. And half my home loan is gone.
Really?
I did not make that. Did someone accidentally put money into my home loan?
Not accidentally.
What? I didn't do this. Wait, can you just hold up? Where the hell did that come from? What is going on? What is going on? What's...
Babe,
Okay, wait. I don't know what's going on. What's... Hold on a second, wait.
it's me.
What?
I pay for